You know, there's nothing better during the summertime, y'all, as hot as it gets, to enjoy the fresh produce and the watermelon. Oh my goodness, the watermelon is so good this time of year. And the strawberries. The strawberries are nice and sweet and beautiful. And of course, we're lucky enough to have basil year round. Mm-hmm. So in this issue of Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, this recipe is in there. I also do a wonderful watermelon salad that is so good. And so this is just like a salad on a stick. And it's pretty, it's easy to put together. You can put it together beforehand and it'll be fine in the refrigerator. So I've got my watermelon. I'm using a seedless watermelon, and it's cut into cubes. And then I'm gonna take my basil and scoop that in there. And then I'm gonna take the little balls of mozzarella. I love those. I could just pop those in my mouth, just like that. All right, and I'm gonna put my strawberry in right now. And then I'm going to cap this with a small piece of watermelon. Just like that. And see how pretty that is? I needed one little piece of basil right here. And you'll just need to fold your basil to at least it sticks out, you know, too far. So there we go, just that simple. And look how pretty that is. All right, so the recipe calls for a balsamic glaze. And, you know, I started to make that from scratch, but, you know, glaze is out there for us, and it's so convenient. But if you don't have a glaze, you make your own balsamic glaze by using, let's see, maybe a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and put that in your saucepan and let it heat and cook very softly until it reduces maybe by half, and you'll see it getting the consistency of a syrup where it will actually drizzle. So you can do that, or you can do this. I'm doing this. Okay, so here we go.
You said the grandbabies will eat this, don't you think?
What? Yes, their parents will welcome a snack like this because it's really good for them. So, you know, I get it. I get it.
Now, will they like the balsamic?
I don't know, but you
it's pretty sweet, so.
Yeah, you don't need to put that on until you get ready to serve it, because it could get kind of soggy, you know. That's pretty. So you can do these, you can put them together however you would like them. If you want to go heavy watermelon or heavy strawberries, you know, do it however you like it. Pretty and delicious. So it's just that easy to put this little appetizer, or actually a side dish, together. It'll be beautiful on your table. It'll be good for you, and it'll fill everybody up without a whole bunch of calories. But the balsamic vinegar, you don't want to put it on too early. Right before people are fixing to dig in, would you just drizzle that on top? You don't even need a plate. So you can find that recipe and more in the latest issue of Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. In fact, it's on the newsstands right now. A lot of good stuff in it. y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.